Too many people are asking too many
I'll fucking
questions.
stab you in the throat. Are you afraid of me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you hit me in the face and you said you're gonna stab me in the throat.
Oh,
With a pencil.
And watch her choke on her own blood.
Yeah.
With a very last breath? I say that a lot. But I didn't mean it to you. What are you doing? Listen, Nicole. You don't have to be afraid of me. I'm not a bad guy. I wouldn't really slit anyone's throat.
And if they were somebody besides me, you probably would.
Yeah,
Did you
probably.
slit my throat?
Would you slit
I
off?
wouldn't. Well, it depends. If you got me really pissed off, then
What if I got you really pissed off? I think
Negative.
you'd still slit my throat.
no, I wouldn't. I would kill myself before I killed you.
Breaking out the friend
Do you
card.
hate yourself? Do you hate yourself, Macon? Is
No.
that why do you want to kill yourself because you hate yourself?
No.
4 minutes. This was 4
Friend
minutes.
card. Let me have that.
No, yeah, you need it.
4 minutes of video. I just.
I got like
I do not hate myself.